Alright guys, we're going to break down the Iron Ranger first. We're going to remove this heel block. I'm going to break all the old stitches. We're going to pull the sole off as well. So let's get started by propping our tool under here. I'm just going to pry this up slightly. I'm going to use the nippers just to get rid of the heel block. Alright, so that's everything that we need to remove. Now we're going to be doing the rebuild back up on this. So I'm going to pop in some glue into this cavity that we've got here. We're going to get a little couple of pieces of sheet cork. I'm going to pop that in here, sand it nice and flush, and that should be us ready to get the soles on top. I'm going to stick this midsole on now. time to groove, little channel around for the stitching to sit in. So that's the shoe completely stitched. Now time for some glue. I'm going to add 2 layers of glue to this leather. The first one will just get absorbed right in, so we'll wait, come back in about 5-10 minutes, pop on our second coat, and we should be good for getting the Christie soles stuck on. Now as you can see from the sander, I've already gone ahead and done one of the boots, and it's sort of like Christmas in here. We always get a lot of swarf coming off of these soles, which is a bit of a pain to tidy up at the end, but good old Henry Hoover, he'll sort that shit out. So I'm just going to do a couple of coats on this, and then we'll get to the Christie sole.